Hi, everybody. This is Rome Tips, and this is a review of the Bitcoin Core crypto wallet. Watch before using. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Bitcoin Core, an essential tool for serious Bitcoin users. Relevant links and resources are in the description. Bitcoin Core is the original Bitcoin wallet developed by the team maintaining the Bitcoin protocol. This makes it one of the most trusted and secure options for storing Bitcoin, but it comes with trade-offs. Bitcoin Core is a full node wallet, meaning it downloads and verifies the entire blockchain, providing top-tier security and privacy since you don't rely on third parties. However, this requires at least 500 gigabytes of storage and a stable internet connection. Taking days to sync initially, it's not ideal for beginners or casual users. This wallet is designed for those prioritizing privacy, security, and decentralization by helping maintain the Bitcoin network. The interface is minimalistic but lacks the ease of more consumer-friendly wallets. It only supports Bitcoin, which may be limiting for users managing multiple cryptocurrencies. A key feature of Bitcoin Core is the ability to run a node, allowing you to interact directly with the network instead of using third-party servers. This keeps transactions private and strengthens network security. However, running a node requires technical knowledge and familiarity with command line tools. Security-wise, Bitcoin Core is top tier, offering wallet encryption, offline signing, and hardware wallet support. However, there's no built-in recovery option, so backing up your private keys is essential. Conclusion: Bitcoin Core is an excellent choice for advanced users who value security, privacy, and decentralization. However, if you're new to crypto or prefer a user-friendly wallet, consider alternatives. Check out the links in the description for more details.